Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the light button, and we need to keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 or maybe 10 seconds. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds, then release it and the watch should be turned off. And after the watch turns off, you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button. And once you see the Epix logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.